In this video, we'll show you how to download Minecraft Java and Bedrock on PC. If you find it useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you want to download and play Minecraft Java and Bedrock, note that Minecraft is not free, so you have to purchase the game first and then you can download the game. Alright, to get Minecraft, you can go to the official Minecraft website, which is minecraft.net. And once you're here, you want to go to games and then click on Minecraft. Click dig deeper, select your platform, which is PC. Before we continue, a big thanks to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this video. If you're in need of a Minecraft server, go check them out. The link is in the description and pinned in the comments. Apex Hosting offers super fast performance with their high-speed servers, so your gameplay will be smooth and lag-free. Plus, they've got amazing customer support available 24/7 to help you out whenever you need it. Their setup process is incredibly easy, so you can start playing with your friends in minutes. If you use their service, you're supporting the channel, so thank you so much. And here you'll need to purchase Minecraft. Now, to download Bedrock and Java Edition, you can select standard PC edition for $29.99 and go ahead and purchase it. Alright, after you purchase Minecraft, you can go back to Minecraft.net home screen and here go to games, and at the bottom here, click on go to downloads. Select download for Windows, save the installer somewhere on your PC. By default, it will go to your downloads folder, hit save, and it will start downloading. After you finish downloading, go to your downloads folder, and here you'll have Minecraft installer.exe. So now we're going to install Minecraft Launcher. Double click on it. Now here, make sure you're logged into the Windows Store. You can click here and log in, and after that, check the license terms and hit install. If you see this, you can click here to open the Microsoft Store and download Minecraft Launcher here. Just click install, hit install again, and it'll start installing. Once it's done, you can hit play and it'll open up Minecraft Launcher. You can sign in with your Microsoft account. Alright, once you're in and logged into your Microsoft account, on the left tab, you'll see Minecraft Edition that's available for you. For Java Edition, it's already installed when you're installing the launcher. And for Bedrock, you can click on it and then you can click install. Choose the install location. I'll leave it default. Hit install and it'll start installing your Minecraft. After the installation is done, you can hit play and launch Minecraft, hit continue, and you're ready to play. You can play single player or multiplayer, create your world, set your game mode, and hit create new world. Now you can play Minecraft and start building. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.